Traffic Magic review and free giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away free copies of Traffic Magic. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com, and that's this time of the month where I'm doing a giveaway. Now I'm only doing a giveaway to you guys, my loyal subscribers, so I'm gonna be giving away a few copies of Traffic Magic, my newest software. So I'm going to tell you how to enter the giveaway in the end of this video, but first of all I wanted to tell you exactly what Traffic Magic is. I'm going to show you the sales page, I'm going to do a little demo for you, and we're gonna go through all of the upsells as always. Okay, so even before I share my screen, let me just tell you that Traffic Magic is my newest traffic software. Now it finds keywords that are super easy to rank for inside Google and YouTube, which means that all you have to do is just take any video, it doesn't even have to be your video, upload it to YouTube, and instantly you're gonna go up in rankings to the first page of Google and YouTube. Okay, and obviously you're gonna get a ton of free traffic from it. Now the cool part is that you don't even need to be a video expert, because we are giving you done for you videos with the software. So it's an amazing software. Obviously if you need traffic in any niche, you will find it helpful. So right now let's just jump into it. Okay, let me share my screen and let me show you the sales page. I'm not going to go through all of it, but I just wanted to show you the headline and just a few key points. As you can see, it says Traffic Magic, brand new software, generates us limitless free traffic from Google and YouTube with a few clicks. We ranked on page 1 of Google and YouTube the same day over and over and over again. So obviously we have a ton of proof behind this, and you know, these kind of videos will rank literally in minutes, because no one else is trying to rank for these keywords. Now these are not keywords that are getting millions of hits a month, but obviously you know, the more of these videos you pump out, the more traffic you get. And you know, even if you're gonna get just like 100 views per video per month, if you have 100 videos, it all sums up. And you know, again, you can use other people's videos, you can pay someone else to do the videos, you can shoot literally a 30-second video, and that's what I've done in the past as well, and that works as well. So you know, you can see my face right here on these videos. These are like a minute long videos, so it's super simple. And obviously, you know, we have some income proof to back up the fact that this kind of traffic actually makes money. So myself and Vic, we are the product creators. Some more proof. You know, scrolling down, we got some testimonials. Again, Traffic Magic, this is the name of the software. We're gonna have a little demo right here, and I'm going to do a little demo right here inside this video for you as well. Okay, so more testimonials, we have some bonuses for you guys, and I'm going to actually give you a bonus if you'll decide to pick up Traffic Magic through my link, if you won't win a free copy. Okay, so this is the sales page. Obviously you can go through it in your own time, but the inside of the members area looks like this one. Now, apart of what I'm going to show you today, you also going to get tons of video training, and also done for you videos that will include done for you stock videos, intros, outros, done for you music, images. So a ton of done for you things that you know, will be helpful when you don't really need to, if you don't really want to like shoot yourself, like if you're camera shy, or you know, you don't like the sound of your voice or something. So this is exactly what we're gonna give you, but this is the software part. Okay, so it's super simple. All you have to do is select a country. Normally we go with United States, but obviously if you are into local marketing, or if you want to target any other country, you can do you know, you can select a country right here. We're gonna select a keyword right now. So you know, I'm just going to give you an example of dog training. We're gonna search videos, and as you can see, we have you know, first of all, keyword suggestions, then we have traffic from YouTube, and if this G shows up right here, this means that this keyword is actually trending, which means that Google is actively promoting it. Okay, then we have the difficulty rank, and what we are looking for is this one, green, the easy one. Okay, now any you know, keyword with this easy green tag will be super easy to rank for. So we got dog training colors, we got dog training tips, we got dog training treats, Now this will be super easy to rank inside YouTube. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we can click right here on search video from YouTube, and what happens is Traffic Magic will bring up all of the videos that are already on YouTube, already ranking, already getting traffic. And what you can do is you can just pick any videos that are already successful. As you can see, you know, we have this one. This one has like 1 million views. So what we can do is we can obviously play it. We can open it in YouTube, and we can just see what this video has in terms of the title, the description, and also the tags. Now to see the tags, you can use a free tool called TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These are both free tools. So what we're gonna do to rank for this keyword is just take the main keyword that we are trying to rank for, so dog training collar, I think it was, add it in the title, add it throughout the description 2 or 3 times, add it in the tags, and then also say it in the video itself. And that's all you have to do. And then you can just use a similar title, similar description, and the same tags, and you will rank on the top position, one of the top positions inside Google and YouTube. So that's all you have to do. You don't need any backlinks, you don't need any social signals, you don't need to wait for weeks. It's super easy. Obviously, if you want to add backlinks, if you want to add social signals, that's absolutely fine, but for the most part you won't need it, and that's the power of Traffic Magic. Okay, so that's all there is to it. You know, we're going to include a video training on how to use the software, on how to make money with it. We're going to have a ton of bonuses, including my YouTube marketing course. So everything you will need to make money with Traffic Magic will be inside, and we are also giving you the done for you videos, which means that you don't even need to shoot any video. You will be fine with what you get inside Traffic Magic. Okay, so this is exactly how it works. So let me show you all of the upsells right now. So as you can see, the main product will be $16.95, but this is the early bird price. The price will be $19.95 in the end of the launch, and $27 after the launch. So if you'll decide to pick it up early, you can snatch it with a $10 discount. Now audio number 1 will be $47, and this upgrade will enable you to multiply free traffic with more powerful add-ons like automated video blog, plus a lot more. Audio number 2 will be $37. This is our fail-proof advanced training that turns free traffic into massive profits. Audio number 3 is a $1 trial, and this is a huge library of internet marketing training videos. So anything that will make you money, you know, starting from scratch to building a 6-figure online income. This is exactly what it is, and it's a $1 trial, so you can check it out for just $1. Audio number 4, $67. This is access to I Am Traffic Academy, which is a traffic Bible. So obviously you're gonna get a ton of traffic from Traffic Magic. If you want even more traffic, then this is the upsell that you want to get. And also audio number 5, $147, a little bit more expensive, but this is a live boot camp where we share some underground secrets to making money online. Okay, so these are all of the upsells that you can expect after picking up your copy of Traffic Magic. Now I told you can win a free copy, and if you want to win a free copy, enter the giveaway right now. All you have to do if you are watching on YouTube is like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment that is a testimonial. Okay, it doesn't have to be long, you just have to write something nice. So do these 4 things: like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a quick testimonial. It can be just a few words. And then what I'm gonna do 5 minutes before we are going live, I'm gonna take the totality of the comments and you know, essentially people that did these 4 things, and 10% will be winners. So if 100 people will do these 4 things, 10 people will win a free copy, and I will be announcing the winners on my blog. So in the description of this video, first of all, you have the link to the early bird. So if you won't win, you can still click on the early bird link and go straight to the sales page, pick up your copy with an early bird, and get my bonus delivered via email after. And then winners are announced here, as you can see. So this will take you to my blog where you will have all the winners announced. So please enter the giveaway. You know, it's a very, very cool software and you don't have to pay for it if you will win. If you won't win, you can still grab it with an early bird discount. This is something that will generate you tons and tons and tons of free traffic. We are super proud of this software and we know that it will help a ton of people to actually start making money online or make even more money online if you are already making money online. Okay, so guys, again, to enter the giveaway, do these 4 things: like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, which can be a testimonial. And I will be seeing you on the 26th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern. This is when Traffic Magic is going live, and again 5 minutes before it goes live I'm going to be revealing the winners. So again, 10 a.m. Eastern, Friday, July 26th is when Traffic Magic goes live. This was my Traffic Magic review and free giveaway, and good luck. All right, see ya.